How to create tasks in Elektraweb. For this operation, we will use the Task Management menu. We can use this screen to assign the task to different departments, as well as for the requests coming from guests. We can reach this menu by clicking on the icon in the upper toolbar or by selecting the related segment under Reservation, Housekeeping, or CRM lists. The reason why the same screen is used under multiple menus is because users have access only to those modules for which they have authorization. With the filtering options, user can see the task assigned to him or her or to the whole department. There are several ways how we may register the guest requests and complaints to this screen. By using the action menu in the lists, reservation card, or rack screen. Let's create together one basic task. First, we should select the task. In order to be able to select the task from the drop-in menu, first we have to define these. With the plus button, we may define the new task or go to the basic definition screen and define these under Hotel Task Definitions. Without having to define any new record, we can select Open and select Standard Definitions from the Action menu and upload the definitions existing in the Elektraweb program. If we enter information such as task type, department, subdepartment, authorized user, time, these will be automatically displayed when creating new tasks in the system. After selecting the task, we may manually enter the note if there is any. We can select the desired reservation from the drop-in menu or search by the room number. If this request is for some future date, it can be set from here. According to the time we defined for this task to be performed, finish time will be automatically displayed and it cannot be changed. On the left part of this screen, guest or hotel user can add a photo. For example, first one can be taken by the user who opened or reported the task, while the second one can be added by the user who completed the task. In this way, we may have visuals about before and after of the reported task. If we want to be reminded about this task upon check-in, check-out, folio, and invoice issuing operation, we should tick the related boxes. On the lower left part of the screen, System automatically registers the date, time of the creation, and user information. With Create Task button, we will complete with this operation. User authorized for the completion of the certain task can use Task menu screen to filter tasks opened for today, new, belonging to his/her department, or only those tasks that are assigned to him or her. By pressing the Start Task button inside the task record card, it is considered that he/she started working on it. Upon completion of the task, user should click on the Finish button and the task record will be closed.